Don't start dropshipping before watching this. Today we are comparing AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping. Both tools help you run a dropshipping business. They automate product sourcing, order fulfillment, and tracking. Let's start with AutoDS. AutoDS is an automation tool. It connects with suppliers and automates orders, pricing, and inventory. It's great for saving time and scaling your store. Now, CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is more like a supplier platform. It helps you source products, manage shipping, and even brand your items. It's better if you want more control over products. Here's the main difference. AutoDS focuses on automation. CJ Dropshipping focuses on sourcing and fulfillment, looking at features. AutoDS offers product importing, price monitoring, auto orders, and analytics. CJ Dropshipping offers product sourcing, faster shipping options, and custom branding. In terms of ease of use, AutoDS is easier if you want everything automated. CJ Dropshipping takes a bit more manual work but gives more control. Now, pricing. AutoDS is a paid tool with monthly plans. CJ Dropshipping is mostly free to use, but you pay for products and shipping. So, AutoDS is better for automation and scaling. CJ Dropshipping is better for product control and branding. So, which one should you choose? Choose AutoDS if you want to automate your business. Choose CJ Dropshipping if you want better control over products and shipping. Both can work, it depends on how you run your store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.